Get into the 2023 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Look forward to even the most ordinary outings when you drive this sleek, comfortable Odyssey. Its smart tech keeps you safe and connected, while its thoughtful interior features assure a relaxing, peaceful passenger experience. It's so powerful and nimble that you may forget you're driving a minivan. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, keyless start. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.